When it comes to ultra-luxury SUVs, Mercedes-Maybach has never been shy about showing what opulence looks like on wheels. And the 2027 Maybach GLS isn't just an SUV, it's a rolling palace. With a jaw-dropping price tag of around $250,000, this is the vehicle that makes Rolls-Royce executives raise an eyebrow and Tesla fans rethink their life choices. Today on MVP Wheel, we're diving deep into every corner of the GLS to show why this SUV isn't just transportation, it's an experience from the moment you approach the Maybach GLS. Its presence is undeniable. Stretching over 5.2 meters long, with a muscular yet elegant stance, it commands attention without even trying. The front grille is signature Maybach massive, imposing, yet refined, flanked by crystal LED headlights that illuminate the road with surgical precision. Every line, every contour is a blend of aerodynamic sophistication and luxury cues. This isn't just design. It's design that whispers wealth, taste, and authority. Step inside, and the real magic begins. The cabin is an oasis. Hand-stitched Napa leather, open-pore wood trim, and aluminum accents create a space that rivals any high-end lounge. Ambient lighting stretches across the dash, doors, and even the footwells, letting you customize the mood from serene to cinematic. The seats in the GLS aren't just seats, they are fully reclining, massaging, ventilated, heated thrones that cater to every inch of your body. The rear row is especially indulgent, with executive seating, retractable tables, and optional champagne refrigerators. Yes, this SUV is basically a VIP suite on wheels. Technology here isn't just advanced. It's overwhelming in the best way possible. The GLS features dual 12.3-inch OLED displays for the driver and front passenger, a massive 56-inch hyperscreen infotainment panel for rear passengers, and a fully digital instrument cluster with customizable layouts. From navigation to climate control, everything is touchscreen, voice-activated, or controllable via the Mercedes-Me app. Want to watch a movie while being chauffeured? Or adjust the suspension for an ultra-smooth ride? It's all at your fingertips. Even the sound system deserves its own applause. The Burmester 4D sound system delivers 30 speakers and a mind-blowing 1,750 watts of crystal-clear audio. Performance isn't just about luxury, it's power that matches the prestige. Under the hood, the GLS Maybach boasts a 4.0L twin-turbo V8 paired with the Q-Boost technology, generating over 550 horsepower and 700 pounds-ft of torque. This SUV isn't slow just because it's big. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.9 seconds. And don't worry, comfort hasn't been sacrificed for speed. The Airmatic adaptive air suspension and e-active body control ensure every bump is smoothed out, turning even city traffic into a serene cruise. Safety and convenience are at the top of the list. The Maybach GLS comes loaded with the latest Mercedes-Benz driver assistance features: active lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, night vision, and a full suite of autonomous emergency braking features. Cameras and sensors surround the SUV, providing a 360-degree view for easy parking even in the most exclusive valet scenarios. But let's not forget the little details that make the GLS truly Maybach. Power closing doors, fragrance systems, rear seat entertainment screens, and even optional executive rear seat privacy partitions are all designed to enhance the experience. The SUV has space, power, and prestige in equal measure. It's a vehicle that doesn't just take you from point A to B, it elevates the journey. In the world of ultra-luxury SUVs, the 2027 Mercedes-Maybach GLS isn't just a contender, it's a standard. With a price hovering around $250,000, this SUV doesn't just deliver performance, tech, and safety, it delivers status, comfort, and an experience few vehicles can match. From the road presence to the rear seat luxury, the GLS represents Mercedes-Maybach's ultimate statement. When it comes to luxury, they won't settle for less, and neither should you. So, if you're looking for the SUV that combines raw power, refined luxury, and state-of-the-art technology, the 2027 Maybach GLS is the one to beat. This is not just a car, it's an investment in lifestyle, comfort, and prestige. That's all for today's deep dive on MVP Wheel. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you own a Maybach GLS? Or does Rolls-Royce still have your heart? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more exclusive automotive content.